Beta blockers like propranolol and metoprolol are used for many reasons, despite initially being made and prescribed by doctors for treating heart and cardiac issues. But they're also commonly used off-script, meaning for a purpose other than what they were initially manufactured for, to treat or alleviate nervousness and anxiety that comes along with performing, usually in front of groups or audiences. You might know this condition as stage fright, but its medical term is performance anxiety. For those using beta blockers for anxiety purposes, the side effects and worry about repeatedly using a prescription medication and possible dependence risk that come with that may leave them seeking alternatives. Of course, finding a beta blocker alternative that is more natural, has minimal or no side effects, and offers the same anxiety-fighting effects that beta blockers do sounds pretty exciting. So in this video, we're going to look at several natural alternatives to beta blockers and see if we can uncover anything that helps overcome anxiety as effectively as beta blockers, but without the side effects and prescriptions. What are beta blockers? Beta blockers, or beta adrenergic blocking agents, are a prescription medication used to treat high blood pressure and health issues like arrhythmia, angina, and heart failure. They work by suppressing certain hormones, particularly epinephrine or adrenaline, that produce an elevated heart rate. As a result, beta blockers reduce stress on the heart and lower blood pressure. Interestingly, stage fright or performance anxiety occurs when a person experiences a significant stress response, usually to an upcoming event or scenario. This stress triggers the body's fight or flight mechanism, causing an increase in the production of the adrenaline hormone. This flood of adrenaline causes the heart to beat faster, leading to an increase in blood pressure, more rapid breathing, etc., etc. Basically, all of these anxiety symptoms that you may be familiar with emerge to the surface. As beta blockers slow the rate that adrenaline is released into the blood, sometimes preventing the release of the hormone completely, beta blockers are pretty effective at reducing performance anxiety symptoms and counteracting that dreaded stress response. Why is a natural alternative to beta blockers necessary? According to Dr. Robert Attaran, an assistant professor of cardiology at Yale University, beta blockers are commonly used to treat physical symptoms of performance anxiety. The use of beta blockers to combat stage fright is accepted within the medical community for the most part, assuming they are taken with appropriate caution. So occasional use of beta blockers is considered reasonably safe, but with regular use there is a risk of dependency or addiction. This can be particularly worrisome for those who rely on beta blocker drugs for their profession, such as musicians, athletes, and performers. It's not hard to develop an addiction or dependence, and they may end up with issues like high blood pressure or withdrawal at the point that they stop taking beta blockers. Alternative solutions that can act as natural beta blockers. There are several foods, minerals, and dietary supplements that have similar properties to beta blockers, in that they can help lower the negative effects of stress and anxiety, like GABA. One of the most notable alternatives to beta blockers for anxiety is GABA, or gamma aminobutyric acid, which is a naturally occurring amino acid that acts as a neurotransmitter in the brain. GABA is known to have a calming effect, and GABA deficiency is believed to play a large part in several anxiety disorders. GABA is best taken in supplement form, and our supplement PerformZen contains an effective amount alongside other ingredients. If you're looking for a plain GABA supplement, we can confidently recommend Now Foods GABA, link in the description. L-Theanine. Another potential beta blocker alternative is L-Theanine, an amino acid well known for its relaxing properties. Several studies show that L-Theanine can decrease the severity of stress-related symptoms while increasing cognitive performance, which is a pretty powerful effect if you ask me. Even Taylor Swift has stated in interviews that she uses L-Theanine to help her handle the stress of stage performances. L-Theanine can be taken as a supplement and is also present in green, black, and oolong teas, as well as some mushrooms. Again, PerformZen contains L-Theanine, but if you're looking for a plain source of L-Theanine alone, then we recommend Sports Research Double Strength L-Theanine, link in the description. L-Arginine. Yet another natural amino acid, L-Arginine is commonly used to lower blood pressure and can help relieve hypertension symptoms and even aid with certain forms of heart disease. L-Arginine increases the release of nitric oxide in the blood, causing blood vessels to open, which allows blood to flow more freely. So while L-Arginine may not be as strong as beta blockers when it comes to relieving anxiety symptoms, it can definitely help with some of the more extreme physical symptoms of anxiety. It's possibly best used alongside other supplements mentioned as part of an anti-anxiety stack. L-Arginine can be obtained through consuming red meat, dairy, poultry, fish, or in supplement form. We recommend Now Foods double strength L-Arginine if that's your preferred delivery mechanism. Link in description to find that. PerformZen. If you're looking for a single supplement that contains the perfect mix of ingredients needed to support focus, calmness, and cognition, then you should check out our supplement PerformZen. Many of our customers use PerformZen as an excellent natural alternative to beta blockers, and we have plenty of reviews showing how our customers use it to counteract the negative side effects of performance anxiety and stage fright. We made PerformZen specifically to help performers stay calm under pressure so that they can deliver excellent speeches, crush presentations at work or up on stage in front of crowds, and look super well practiced and confident during performances of all kinds, from music and singing to things like stand-up comedy. I really think you'll like PerformZen, and you can find out all about it by visiting www.performzen.com or simply follow the link in the description below. If you like this video, drop a like or comment below to let us know your experience with beta blockers for anxiety purposes and potentially what alternatives you tried to help and how well did they work. Or you can check out one of these excellent videos. Until next time, break a leg.